Hello children, today we are going to learn counting numbers on abacus. So let's start. See children, what is this? This is an abacus. An abacus is an instrument with which we can count the numbers and understand the place value of a number or a digit. Yes? So in first grade we have learnt about two spikes abacus, yes, which represent two-digit number. Now in grade 2 we are going to learn about three spikes abacus, yes, which represent three-digit number. Yes, in this three spike abacus, right side spike of abacus denotes digit at ones place. Now the middle spike of abacus denotes digit at tens place, and the left hand side spike of abacus denotes digits at hundreds place. Yes. Now there are no beats, so it means there are no numbers. So the digits of a numbers are represented by using beats. So let's see, let's revise two-digit number. Now children, see these two spikes of abacus. It is representing two-digit number. Can you count the number from the abacus? Yes. See children, what is written downside of the abacus? It is written T and O. What it means? O means ones place and T means tens place. So how many bits are there on ones place? Nothing. There is no bits on abacus. So what you will write on ones place? 0. And how many bits are there on tens place? Only 1. So what you are going to write on tens place? 1. So which number it is representing? It is representing the number 10. And children, ones place means what? One digit number. And tens place means what? Two digit number. So here is only one beat on tens place. So it is representing only 110. And 110 means what? 10 only. Yes. Now see the next example. Now look at this abacus and count the beats which is on ones place. There are only two beats on the ones place. Yes. So two ones means only 2. And how many bits are there on tens place? There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bits on tens place. Yes. So we know that tens means what? On tens place, one beat representing 110. It means here are 3 beats. So one beat is representing 110. 2 beats are representing 2 tens, and 3 beats are representing 3 tens. Yes, so here are 3 tens means how many? 3 tens means 30. Yes, so which number this abacus is representing? This abacus is representing the number 32. Yes, and how can we say it in other way? That is 3 tens and 2 ones. Yes. Now see children, this is 3 spikes of abacus which represent 3-digit number. Yes, ones place represent 1-digit number, tens place represent 2-digit number, and hundreds place represent 3-digit number. Now children, while counting and writing the number from abacus, you can make the column like this, which you can see downside of the abacus. Yes, it is written like HTO. What is this HTO? H means 100, T means tens, O means ones. If you write in this manner, so you can write the number correctly. Yes. Now count the number from the abacus. How many beads are there on ones place? There are 3 beads on ones place. So 3 ones means what? 3. So write 3 on ones place. How many beads are there on tens place? There is only 1 bead on tens place. It means 110. 110 means what? 10 only. So write 1 on tens place. And how many beads are there on hundreds place? There are 9 beads on hundreds place. 9 hundreds means what? 900. So write 9 in hundreds column. So in this way, which number we get? We get the number 913. We can write the number name in this manner also, which you can see downside. Yes. And children, in this way we can represent big number on the abacus in this easiest way. Now children, you have to count this number from abacus. You have to find out the number and make the column which I show you in previous PPT. Yes, and note down in your notebook. Come on, count the number. How many beads are there on ones place? There are 6 beads on ones place. So 6 ones means what? 6. So write 6 in ones column. How many beads are there on tens place? There are 8 beads on tens place. 8 tens means what? 80. So write 8 in tens column. Now how many beads are there on hundreds place? There are 6 beads on hundreds place. So 6 hundreds means what? 600. So write 6 in hundreds column. So which number we get? We get the number 686. So children, this much only for today. Thank you. Bye.